What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. Today we got Trey helping out, Julian helping out. In today's video, we're gonna be installing this Underglow kit. It's from Amazon, so if you guys want to get that, it's pretty much a review on it and see how it is. But let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, it's by Cordial. So look at for their kit. It's on Amazon America. So I'm guessing this is where it connects from, and then all the LEDs, this connector, bunch of zip ties and screws. So the kit says it comes with Bluetooth controller, cigarette power adapter, and the fixing clips, and it goes from there, runs to 2 and 2. So I guess you're just gonna end up mounting it one on each side, then go down the side and then the back. We've gone ahead and already jacked up the car, made the process that much faster. Give us a minute, we're gonna test it out, make sure this even works before you go ahead and try and put this on. All right, guys, we ended up taking the kit, stretching it out, and just seeing where everything fits. We're gonna go ahead and mock up the front to see where it has to go, and the back, and once we're good, we're gonna start attaching everything in. So it actually comes with, so you actually 3M it, or it comes with these clips you can screw into your car. We're gonna end up doing that instead of 3M, and then you have zip ties for wire management. Trey's gonna end up doing that. All right, guys, so we've gone ahead and just mapped out pretty much where we want to put everything. So we're gonna go ahead and just put everything in place. Alright, guys, so it is hours later. Trey and Julian have left. Definitely huge shout out to them for helping. If they did not help, I probably would not have finished this tonight. It's much later. But yeah, they helped out a ton. Definitely I'm gonna link them here and here. Give them a follow. Help them out. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you guys the wiring and how I did things, how I did it. It's honestly, it's not a show car, it's just my daily X5. And I'm not a professional wire guy, so like I'm just showing you guys how I did it, but I'll show you what I did. So we have our power, which is there. Which connects to my LED light bar. If you didn't know I had that. I have an LED light bar in the grill. LED light, so power connects to that, and then ground connects to right there. I don't really care for my engine bay because it's just stock car. And then I have all the excess wires ran through here, and it goes down through there. So with that, it then runs down to the little hole, little light passage. You see the little light? Can you see it? It's really hard to see the little light right there. So that's where it goes through, which is pretty much the carpet. It won't focus on that, but yeah, that's where the wire runs to, and from there, so it then comes out through there, and then it actually runs all along there until it gets to the middle of them, which is right there. So I just want to show you the run now. So again, it comes with 6 strips, 2 for each side of the car. So in the front you have 2 that go opposite directions, you have the sides and then the back. So my wire run is, I didn't want to use 3M, so I used again just the mounting screws, and we used 3 for the smaller ones. So the front and back got 3 each, and side ones got 4 each. So I literally have it in the middle as much as best we could, and then it runs there. Same for both sides. And then I didn't know where to run the wires, honestly I didn't. I didn't want to run it too close to suspension. I didn't want to run it up over this shield here, whatever. So I literally just ran it from there straight to the middle there, which is right where the oil pan plug is, whatever. I just zip tied that to that, and then I just let it hang loosely, and I ran it to the side there. So it goes to right there, and it just hangs loosely and goes to the side there. And then for this side, pretty much the same thing. Ran it there, and just loosely having it hang to right there. And then it goes, again, loosely hung to the side there. I'm not going to go on this side because it's just too hard, but as you can see the side there, it goes all the way down, and then I have it run across to the middle. And this is honestly as much slack as I can get it. I'll show you guys how I get up to that side. So here's the underside. Like I said, it just runs to there. Again, same thing for both sides. And then I have it finishes there. I have the wire run going to there, and I actually run it back to a little section under there. It's just to get the wires to hang, I guess, decently and not be so low. Like they're hanging like a bit, like they're hanging, but to have them not hang excessively low, I had to run it. And then again, because I have a jack point which is on my drive shaft, so you can get to it. The jack point that's on my drive shaft here. Zip tie right there, which goes from the light over there, so zip tie. And then this one comes from over there, so it actually goes to the end of the light bar or the strip, and it connects to there, and then runs back here into the loop, and then over to here, and they both meet. And that way it keeps it, because over here, because I don't want to touch the exhaust, but also keeps it still pretty high up. And then I run it straight across. Again, the exhaust is right there. I'm trying to avoid that. And then we'll make our way to the back there. And then I ended up putting it on the rear strut sway bar. And I put it, instead of in the middle, I put it over the side because I do want to be able to still access my jacking point on my rear diff. I believe it's the rear diff. And for the back, it runs from there right up to there. And I just meet in the middle. And that's how it works. Alright guys, so the car is all lowered down. The only thing I did realize is that the LED strip, you can actually see it on the bottom. You just look on the lower, you can actually kind of see it. So I'm going to push that back tomorrow. But for now, it works pretty well. It looks good. So we're going to go through the app now. So you get to the app. It gives you a link in the pamphlet. You go to here, you find your device. You have to set your parameters correctly. That'll help make everything, well, that's my parameters, but it'll help make everything that much better. You enter, and then right now it's an auto. Hey Google, turn off garage light. Turn on it's auto, but it's already on, so you go ahead and put like purple. Why is it not on? Oh, I didn't turn it on, sorry. So what side you're gonna have a toggle, you turn it on. Then you enter. So right now it's in auto mode where it just goes through all the functions. It gives you the options for the individual colors. So you have like purple, you can see in the background, purple, green, blue, yellow. And pretty much you can make your own color with the slider here. You can go to any shade or tint of whatever color you want. And that's solid colors. Then you go over here. This is the effects. So you have literally 1 to 120 effects. I'll just go through all of them. So you have this like rainbow one, which is number 1, and then 2 is the opposite direction, and it goes again. It goes from the front all the way to the car, like front to back. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just not gonna count anymore. So I don't know if you can tell what this is doing. It's pretty fast actually. But what it's doing right now is it's like a little, I don't know how to describe it. It's whatever. But pretty much on here you also have a, when it focuses, a brightness meter. So this thing right here, sorry guys, it's not focusing. This one right here is for brightness. You turn it up and it goes way brighter. So brightness for that, and this is the speed of the action that's happening. So we'll go to an effect you can see. So as you can see, it's like white and red going to the back. And then you adjust the slider for the speed, it slows down. Or adjust it again high, and it goes pretty fast. So that's for it again. The brightness, and again, it just has, I'll go through the rest of the features so you can see just all of them. Guys, honestly, this video's been going on for way too long, so I'm gonna go through all the functions. But as you can see, there are 120 different chasing features as well as solid colors, and you can adjust the speed, the brightness. For I think it's 90 bucks on Amazon US, so the American Amazon. It's not that bad. Like, it's really not that bad. It's really good. There are some things that are missing. Like, I wish I had like, I wish I could choose an individual color. So I guess it kind of is what I wanted to do maybe. But there's certain things that I guess I'm gonna figure out that I want to do. Like, say I want to set up 3 colors itself, like individual 3 colors to go, as opposed to just the ones that are preset, like the red and white. It'd be like red, blue, and white kind of thing that I want to choose, but that's okay. Again, 90 bucks, you can't go wrong. I like it. Make another one, who knows? I like it a lot on the X5. Definitely gonna fix the front and push it back more so you don't see it. The back is good. They do say if you leave it connected directly to the battery, like I have it, it'll drain your battery. So I'm gonna walk around with my booster pack and we will see if it drains my battery or not. I'll try, if I remember, I'll try to let you guys know in the comments. If you want a link to this, let me know. I'll put that if I remember as well. But yeah, another mod into the X5 that I'm loving. I'm gonna take some Instagram pictures right now. So if you guys want to follow my Instagram, it'll be right here. Right here. So, you know, hit me up on Instagram. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Have a great night. Peace.